Tile Choice, originally from Wolverhampton, are ceramic specialists boasting 14 individually designed stores and a giant warehouse and distribution centre stocked with over £5 million worth of tiles. They pride themselves on their exceptional levels of customer service, choice and value, with vast selections of ceramic, porcelain, glass, mosaic and natural stone tiles, including travertine, marble and granite, many of which with up to 50% off. By keeping up to date with all the latest trends in this fast-moving, fashion-led industry, they can offer their customers the best possible choice and keep one step ahead of the competition. So, whether you're designing a cool, contemporary ensuite or a traditional homely kitchen, you'll find exquisite value-for-money tiles to suit your taste and budget. All of the Tile Choice staff are fully trained and knowledgeable in all aspects of the ceramic wall and floor tile trade. They're happy to offer sound and practical advice, from how to plan your room layout, preparing your walls and floors, choosing the right tiles and tools for the job, to how to make light work of cutting, fixing and grouting. As we're open 7 days a week, just pop in and ask. If you can't make it, however, one of Tile Choice's recommended tilers will visit you at home and give a no-obligation quote. With stores in Bilston, Cannock, Walsall, West Bromwich, Birmingham, Bromsgrove, Kidderminster and Shrewsbury, visit tilechoice.co.uk for your nearest store.